Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Meg. I do fashion lifestyle videos every single week, and this week we have something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing some nail art on my nails. So if you do enjoy that type of content, don't forget to click the subscribe button and let's get it. So Madam Glam, which is a very well-known nail polish brand, have kindly sent me across one of their gel kits, including their mini LED lamp, which I will show you. It is so cute. And if you like the look of any of these polishes, you can get a discount using the code in my description, and I will put it on the screen now. So this is the mini UV lamp. It is honestly so cute, and I feel like it's perfect for traveling. It's very compact, and all you do is pull out the little legs and it stands up by itself. And this actually has a USB wire, so you can plug this into a charger or a laptop, whatever works best. So these come with a base coat and a top coat like you would when you go and get shellac or gel nails from the salon. So this is a gorgeous neutral colour. I'm absolutely obsessed, and I feel like for every day, and especially in kind of spring summer, this colour is just perfect. It goes with everything. Then we have got this gorgeous blue colour, which I feel like is such a nice medium blue. Like, it's not the most common blue that is worn, and that's kind of what drew me to it. And finally, this one I'm so gassed about, because if you know me, I flipping love glitter on nails. I think it's so beautiful. I'm so excited to use this on my toes. And to spice up my nails even more, I'm actually going to be using some nail stickers from some small brands on Etsy. I'll put the names on the screen, but I feel like this is just going to take my nails to the next level. Now let's get into the actual nail application. So I'm going to start off by applying the base coat. And just to note, because this was my first time doing the nails, I actually feel like the best practices were shown when I painted my toenails, so make sure you stay tuned to the second part of the video to make sure that you follow the best process. It's important to keep the layers thin here to make sure that they actually set properly. And I will leave them under there for 30 seconds just for that to cure, and then we're going to move on to the actual colour. I always tend to do 2 coats, it's up to you, but I just feel like it makes sure the colour is more opaque and you haven't got any streaks or anything. But to be fair, just the first coat alone actually looked really good. I was so impressed. So there's 2 different options on the timer. So if you press it once, it does it for 30 seconds, and if you press it twice, it does it for 45. Sometimes it's better to be on the safe side and do 45 just to make sure it is fully cured, but the layers can still be sticky at this stage. It's really with the top coat that you need to make sure that it's not sticky. So now we're going to be moving on to these really cool nail stickers. I'm spoilt for choice, but I decided to go for a snake on the thumb just because it wouldn't have fit on any of the other nails because it is quite big and my nail beds are pretty kind of narrow, but it looked pretty sick. So then I decided to go in with this kind of smiley face, smoking man type of thing. I do find that applying it with tweezers is just a lot easier and less faffy, but sometimes you have to use your finger to actually pull it off the tweezer. I do recommend grabbing it quite lightly to make sure that it doesn't stick to the tweezer edges. Next, I went in with these really cool kind of school couple type of thing. And then I put that again on my thumb because I'm not sure it would have fit on any of the other fingers, and just kind of flatten that down using the tweezers. Try not to make a mess of the nail varnish because it is still a bit tacky. Then I went in with some diamonds, which again, really cool. I literally love all of these so much. I think they really jazz up your nails. And then I went in with a heart that was on fire, which I actually accidentally damaged when I was putting it on. They are quite fragile, but look how cool they look. Like, no one else is going to have your nails. Now I'm going to go in with the top coat, and also that is going to seal in the stickers. And I will usually do about 2 minutes when I do the top coat just to make sure that it is fully cured. Just to note, at this point I was a bit confused why my nails still felt tacky, but actually when I spoke to the brand they were really helpful and recommended that I use wipes that contain rubbing alcohol, which is what I did on my toes, as you'll see. Now, I never thought I'd be showing my feet in a video, but here we are. Hopefully they're not putting you off too much. If you're not a fan of feet, I do apologise. And yes, I know I have a long second toe. Anyways, so for this I actually used the right process after, like I said, speaking to the brand. So make sure that you file your nail first. It just creates a better grip to the actual product. And then again, I'm just going to speed this up using the same process as it's exactly the same as the nails. So you just use the bottom coat, cure that for 30 seconds. Then again, I went in with 2 layers of the nail varnish, and with this you could really see a difference because it started off as kind of a lighter blue-ish, and then when I applied the second layer it was more of a kind of deep purple, and it was absolutely gorgeous, really sparkly. So at this point I decided to use the rubbing alcohol thing like the brand said to get off any tackiness, and whilst I didn't have any lying around, I actually realised that the wipes that I use for my glasses also contain rubbing alcohol. So maybe if you don't have any, Google to see what alternatives you might have lying around your house, or alternatively purchase some. But this definitely made all the difference and restored my confidence that it wasn't going to start sticking to hairs and dust. But yeah, I am so impressed with Madam Glam's products. I feel like my nails and toes are now on fleek. The quality of their stuff is so good, and like I said, don't forget to use my discount code which is on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.